In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time tracking in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful project management tool, and one of its standout features is the ability to track time right within your workspace. Whether you're managing personal tasks or coordinating a team, enabling time tracking can help you keep a close eye on how long tasks are taking and improve overall productivity. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to activate time tracking in ClickUp so you can start using this feature right away. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to locate your profile icon. This is in the top right corner of your ClickUp dashboard. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you'll need to select the option labeled Settings. Now that you're in your Settings menu, look to the left-hand side for a section called Click Apps. Click on this section to open it up. This is where you'll find all the additional features that can be toggled on or off to customize your ClickUp experience. To make things easier, there's a search bar at the top. Type the word time into the search bar. This will filter the results and quickly locate the time tracking features for you. Once you see the time tracking feature appear, find the toggle switch next to it and turn it on. This will activate the main time tracking feature across your workspace. Right below that, you'll also see another option called Time Tracking Rollup. Enabling this feature will allow ClickUp to automatically aggregate all time entries for a more streamlined view of how your time is distributed. Simply toggle this feature on as well. Now we're going to take this a step further to ensure time tracking is enabled for the specific spaces you want to use it in. To do this, open the settings for each space where you'd like time tracking to be active. Once you're in the space settings, repeat the same process. Toggle on both time tracking and time tracking rollup. Make sure to go through each space where time tracking is needed, as this step ensures that the feature works in the areas of ClickUp that matter most to you and your team. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled time tracking in ClickUp, giving you better insights into how your time is spent on tasks and projects. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring all its features. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.